iPhone. I just let you in the room. Good morning to you. Start your name. And
Asia Outerbridge.
And turn your camera on, man. Asia who?
Outerbridge.
And why are you so late?
Because I have a paper right here that shows my court started at 1 o'clock. But then when I called, right here, if you can look on this thing right here, it says 1 o'clock.
I don't see 1 o'clock.
Maybe
Like I saw 9 a.m. It looks like I saw 9 a.m.
I had 1 o'clock on one of those papers.
You just showed me a paper, Miss Outerbridge. That
yes,
said
I did. Right. So when I called,
no, we can't talk at the same time.
Well, I apologize for being late. Excuse me.
Stop.
You asked me a question. I'm just trying to answer it.
I know. Put whatever you're trying to prepare down.
I'm trying to be my daughter.
Get your coat. You got to put your properly dressed on. I am
properly dressed. I have on a t-shirt. I am properly dressed.
Is that a robe?
It's the problem, sir. I'm not even doing that. You asked me a question. I'm answering. My daughter is sick. I had to keep her home from school. I'm just trying to feed her. That is it.
Understandable, but you're in court.
Ms. Outerbridge, I'm sorry that your daughter is sick. But again, you're in court, okay? And we're going to treat it as such. I'm
properly dressed. I have on clothes. I have on clothes.
Fine, Ms. Outerbridge.
I have on clothes. What?
This is the city of Detroit. This is Asia Outerbridge. Case number SP 165-40401. Mr. Boffman, appearance for the record, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant.
Ms. Outerbridge, state your name for the record, please.
Asia Outerbridge.
Now, let's get this straight. You came in here earlier. You came super late. Now, all I asked you was why you were late. You told me that you got a notice that it said 1 o'clock or something like that. And you held the notice up and you showed me the notice. Whether that was the notice that you got, I don't know. But the notice that you showed me was 9 a.m. Now, after that, everything fell apart. You come in court with a robe on. I want you to be at least presentable. I didn't ask you to put a suit or your Sunday clothes on. I want you to be presentable. And I want you, when I'm talking, this is my courtroom. You don't talk. And I'll give you a chance to speak if I need to know something from you, like I asked you that. So those answers that you gave me were your answers. And now you want to get upset with me because I'm trying to keep some sort of decorum in the courtroom. Now you're rolling your eyes.
I'm not rolling my eyes. I'm looking at my daughter.
You rolled your eyes.
I'm looking at my daughter. Okay. Okay. So
there we go.
Okay.
There we go again. There we go again. I'm the one that can dismiss this case or not. Come back in the screen, ma'am. Don't go rolling your eyes and under the screen now.
Sir, I think you're being very biased because I'm quiet. I'm not even trying to be argumentative. I'm here. I explained why I was in my robe and I explained why I was late to the court. You are still nitpicking. We already had a talk about it when I came back in. I said, okay. And I left it at that. I'm not trying to argue with you. I have a 3-year-old. I have a 3-year-old jumping around over here. I'm just trying to pay attention. That is all. I'm not rolling my eyes at you. I don't have an attitude at you. If you're going to be biased towards the case because you're upset with me about being late, then maybe I should get a new judge. But I'm not trying to argue. I'm just trying to get the case over with so I can go on about my day with my sick daughter.
Trial date, July 1st, 2025 at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you, Ms. Outerbridge.
I can go?
You may.
Judges, Asia.
You want to take, do you want to, this is the one, you want to just pay? What do you want to do with this? He wants to just resolve it today?
Yeah, I just want to resolve it today. I just want to pay because I don't want to keep coming back to Zoom and missing work.
Okay. Are you able to, is he able to make a factual basis, Ms. Payne?
Your Honor, we would stipulate to the face of the ticket, its offer is 3-month delayed sentence. It was his daughter who allowed another person to drive, but she was driving the car with his permission.
Yes, my daughter has license and insurance.
Yeah, I don't understand how, well, first of all, just to get it over with, that factual basis that you put on the record, Ms. Payne, does not amount to him knowing that if his daughter had a valid driver's license and he can't determine what she does with the car when he's not around,
I agree, Your Honor, but this was my client's decision. I suggested possibly a bench trial and have an attorney appointed for him.
This is not even an issue of an attorney appointed, sir. I can't accept that. I can't accept that plea. If your daughter is driving, that's not new 18. No.
Yeah, I ain't want to. Hello. Oh.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I didn't want to keep dragging it out. Like, I don't know how I even got a ticket for no license and I wasn't in the vehicle. My daughter has license and insurance.
Let me stop you. You don't want to keep dragging it out, but I can't take the deal. Turn your camera on so we can talk. I can't see you. I can't talk to you while I can't see you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
So this is going to go to trial. Give me a trial date. Because if you're saying that unless your daughter didn't have a valid driver's license, does your daughter have a valid license?
My daughter has license. The officer wouldn't take her license.
Okay, that's it. Well,
she had license and insurance. The car is just in my name, but the officer, he wouldn't.
Just don't too much more talking. We're gonna find out what happened on this date when the officer comes in, if the officer does come in. July the 1st, 2025, we're gonna get some resolution then, all right?
Which one? Warren Lewis? He's a Lewis too. It's two
I don't
Lewises.
know. It's only one Lewis. I don't know how many Lewises, and I don't know how many Lewises you have in your room, but I was talking to you just a minute ago. I don't know.
No, but you was talking to the other Lewis before him.
Yeah, I'm Markel Lewis.
He was talking to Warren Lewis.
But I spoke with you first.
Right.
So which one were you talking to?
Ma'am, mute yourself, please.